Alright, so as I was saying before, we're going to do 4B question 18. 4B question 18. The diagram here is very, very important because it changes your I's and J's a little bit. Right. Let's get that diagram. So give me a second. Alright, so here's what the diagram looks like. You see a right angle triangle, like so. Right angle triangle. They've got 30 degrees there. They have a force going 10 newtons down. And this force has just drawn a little line there. And they've said, hold on, we don't want the I's and J's to be horizontal and vertical. We want the I to go this way and the J's to go that way. So the I is perpendicular to the slope and the J is, sorry, the I is parallel to the slope and the J is perpendicular. So it says express the weight as a vector. AB. Okay. Well, let's just how do we start this? Where does the I go and where does the J go? Well, the I has to go this way and the J has to go this way. So let's, from this point, let's go to there, but let's only use these directions here. So we can go some sort of negative J first, right? And then we can go positive I, some sort of positive I. So that's my two vectors there. Or I can go positive I and then negative J, and I'll end up at that point. Now here's where the trigonometry comes in. How do I get some how do I get my angles? Well, there are many ways to do this one. I will show you one of them. Okay? If that's 30, right? That's going to be 60. Boys, are we listening or? And if that's 60, what's this? There's also 60. That's a right. Oh. Would it?
Yes, because the angle next to is 60, usually parallel lines.
So
That is a 90-degree angle.
So hold on, guys. This angle here plus this angle there should add to 180, and we know that this is a right angle. So 60 plus 90 plus something should give me 180. So it's 30. Oh, it is 30. Sorry, guys. Alright. So that's 30. How do I get either that one or that one? Max? So I need to get either that one or that one, because once I find one, I can find the other one. So let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, so that's 90 there, and that means this whole thing has to also be 90. But how do I get this angle there? It is also 30 due to this rule there, right? Alternate angles are equal. So let's take this out and let's draw it properly. So there's my weight. There's my weight. There's my J component. This is my I component, and I know that this angle there is 30. And this is 10, and my right angle is here. How would I get my J component? We're going back to basics, back to chapter 4a. How do I go from the magnitude, from the resultant to the I's and J's? Well, think of this as a triangle. If I wanted to find this side, how would I use trigonometry to find this side? Sokotoa. From this angle, that's adjacent, that's the hypotenuse. So cos 30 is going to equal my value for J. We'll just call it J. J over 10. You could also use sine 60 because cos 30 equals sine 60. So even though it's a J, we're using cos because that's the angle that we're given, because we want to find that side. But if you wish, you can also find the 60 and do the same. So 10 cos 30 is the J. And to work out the I, sine 30 equals I over 10. Therefore, 10 sine 30 equals I. And that's it. Let's solve. If we solve for J and I becomes 5, and J solves to 5 root 3. So J in this case equals A and B. So I can say I got 5I plus 5 square root of 3J. Hopefully that makes sense. All good, Jenny? All good, Matthew?
Yep. I did that question.
Alright.